Business model innovation. Discovering new opportunities. For growth, are you looking for opportunities to innovate and expand your business model? One area that may not immediately come to mind is the design and usage of toilets. By understanding the differences between Indian and Western toilets, you can potentially uncover new opportunities for growth. Let's explore the primary differences and their implications. Indian toilets, typically squat toilets, require users to squat over a hole in the floor. They often have a water hose or bucket for cleaning, and may have a platform or step for assistance. On the other hand, Western toilets are typically seated toilets, where users sit on a bowl. They have a flushing mechanism to flush waste away, and may have a bidet or toilet paper for cleaning. These differences in toilet design and usage reflect cultural factors and have significant practical implications. In many Western cultures, seated toilets are the norm and are often seen as more hygienic. In contrast, in many Indian cultures, squat toilets are the norm and are often seen as more natural and comfortable. The cultural significance of toilets can influence consumer preferences and behaviors. Indian culture deeply ingrained squat toilets, associating them with traditional practices and beliefs. They are considered more natural and hygienic. Western culture, on the other hand, embraces seated toilets as a symbol of modernity and convenience. These cultural differences play a vital role in shaping consumer preferences and expectations. When considering health considerations, some studies suggest that squat toilets may be better for bowel health. Squatting can help straighten the colon, promoting natural elimination and potentially reducing constipation and hemorrhoids. However, it is important to note that there is no definitive scientific consensus on this matter. On the other hand, prolonged sitting on seated toilets can contribute to various health issues, including back pain, obesity, and digestive problems. Ultimately, the choice of toilet type is often a cultural one, and there is no one-size-fits-all answer. In order to discover new opportunities for growth, businesses should consider the cultural factors and health implications associated with different toilet designs. By understanding the needs and preferences of different markets, businesses can innovate their business models to cater to specific cultural and health requirements. In conclusion, as you explore new opportunities for growth through business model innovation, don't overlook the potential of understanding and adapting to cultural and practical differences in toilet design and usage. It may seem like a small detail, but it can have a significant impact on consumer preferences and behaviors. By embracing these differences and tailoring your offerings to specific markets, you can discover new opportunities for growth and success.